I think if you ask me, I would say, I would always say if you ask me, but that's my own opinion. That's my own opinion. But a Nigerian trader, normal regular trader, a novice in automation, that's just a trader. If you ask me, I would say they shouldn't even be looking at using robots.
Okay.
Yeah, you can. Before you venture into anything, you need to learn about what you're venturing into.
That's very true.
So obviously, you're either a novice trader or you're a novice investor. Because there's people who are not traders, they're just investors. You understand?
Yes.
They just buy bots and plug and play. You know, just plug it and they just sleep, right? So you don't have much idea about robots. Because even robots, some of the robots have settings. Because there are settings that backs these robots, which are the prompts that you give to the robot. So some of them have editable settings.
Yes.
And you don't even know much about these settings. Right? Now, let me digress a little bit. Talking about even the people who are selling the robots, right?
Yes.
For you to sell a robot, for me, if you ask me, I'll say at least you should be able to have, first thing first, the bot should be built on an actual strategy. A real strategy. And secondly, the bot should be back tested. Right? You want to sell a bot, sir. After building a software, you back test the software. So at least your back test should be a minimum of, let's say, 10 years. 10 years back test. So if you back test the software for 10 years, that means you're back testing the software in the past 10 years. If this bot is trading in the past 10 years now, what is the performance? What will it look like? Now that performance most of the time is not 100% accurate, right? It used to be 99.9 if you get very good tick data, right? It used to be 99.9, so there's still 0.1 missing out of it, right? So making it not to be that 100% accurate.
Yes.
So if you backtest it, it gives you an idea. At least you have an idea that this system will last, right?
Yeah.
Now, after it passes the backtest, as a seller, someone who wants to sell bots, they passes that test. Let's assume it passes the test with, let's say, 20% mass drawdown, which is mass risk exposure during the time of trading, 20% of your capital, of your equity. Then you pass it through a live trading test. Now, we do live trading test. Some persons do on demo, but I don't even recommend demo. I recommend real money. Because demo, there are a lot of things happening on demo that are not on live account. Because demo, there's no slippage on demo or minimal. But live account, there's slippage. That's why you see some things that work on demo don't even work on live account. You see? So, I recommend, because for me, right, it's not just me, I have a team. Full team, more like a development team that we build the systems together. Not a one-man hand. So we do it with cent accounts. Our first live test goes with cent most of the times. If the software that require, let's say, $10,000 we test, $20,000 we test. So we go with the denomination of cent. That's when $10,000 might be like we want to put it in around that kind of $100, $200, converting it to cents to test, right? Because it's still test. So, but the main thing is that that cent account is still a live account. It's still a live market environment. So that means you're testing on live market environment. So you should be able to test a system for, let's say, 6 months to 1 year. 6 months to 1 year is reasonable, right? Before you can now say, this system is fine. That means what I saw on backtest is corresponding with what I'm seeing on the live market environment. So this thing might work, right? You now put in your own money. You still don't tell people about it. You have to put in your own money. Remember the money you put in was cent account.
Yeah.
Was cent, right? So now put in your own money. Because it's what you're selling, and you want to sell it, right?
Yes.
So that means you believe in what you're
Of course.
So if you believe in it that much, put in your own money, right? Not all system requires big capital. There are softwares that work, that is software, right? That works with a minimum of $200, $300. But when I don't tell investors $250, but me, I know deep down it works with a minimum of $250, you can use it on that software. So $250 should not be a big deal for me to put into a system that I believe in so much because I've already done this through this level of scrutiny.
Yeah.
You understand? So if I go to my tab, I can show you a lot of systems we've built. Right? They are on a Excel sheet. Right? Everything is like most of them are red. That means you did not pass.
You didn't pass.
You understand? Let me show you. You didn't pass this test we're talking about. You didn't pass this test we're talking about. Look at this.
Yeah.
The camera.
That is it.
You check, you see these are red, right? Red. A lot of them are red. Right?
Only the green ones pass.
Yes. And you see the green ones are fewer than the red ones, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. But people don't go through this test, checking these things there. You just bring anything. Even we that's our own strategies, because some strategies don't work much on automation, because some strategies require more of psychological input. That's human psychology that's into it. Some are just direct actual strategies and can just work. So I would say don't use what you don't know. That's the first thing. And again, if I have a system like I do now, I don't know why I should sell my software. I won't sell to you. Instead of me selling to you, plug in to what I'm already doing. Like you understand, I have a copy trading ongoing, right? So people can just fund their money, connect. I don't want you to pay me. Instead of you paying me, use the money to fund your own account. Don't buy my software, don't buy and you sell. Fund your account. Connect with, to my copy trading, right? So that if I make money, you make money. If I don't make money, that means if the doesn't make money, you won't make money because your account is copying my own account. So I don't have to sell my software because I believe in it so much that I feel like I don't want it to be rampant everywhere. This is something that is everywhere loses value.
Sure.
So I don't want it to be rampant everywhere. I value that money. I just say, okay, to benefit from it, fund your account, connect your account to my own account, which is a master account, right? I think that's how fund managers should be doing, and people who want to come into offering services to people, because selling of robots, you're offering service
Yeah.
to people. So if you want to offer service, I want to help people, right? You want to help people. I want to help people now. You set up something like this, so that if you make money, they make money. If you don't make money, they don't make money. They are afraid because they know their account will grow. They know their account will grow. That's why they are afraid. Okay? Because you should be able to be this transparent, right? I was showing someone something. I was showing someone my copy trading history. If you log in, it's there. You can see it. Since this year, people have been copying me because I set up copy trading with a particular broker, right? This year, and nobody has lost money since this year. But I've seen a lot of persons who have blown accounts with different robots.
Of course.
So instead of me selling to you one time, just pay me a percentage whenever I make profits from from my system. It's automated. I don't even have to call you giving my money. No, the system automatically shares.
Yes, it's profits.
It's a professional way to do what you want to do. If you want to help professionally.